So there's a lot of talk here on YouTube, over on Reddit, everywhere else online about Discord alternatives and where you can go and replace Discord with something else. And I'm not so sold that people are going to be doing that. I've seen countless videos of people exploring alternatives. And while I do disagree with the whole age verification thing that Discord's got going on, if you're not aware, you probably are if you're watching this video, but if you're not, they will require you to verify your age by sending either a government ID or a selfie. From what I've seen, they haven't really confirmed exactly how they're going to do it because of all this pushback. They said they're going to be changing some things. So we're not 100% sure yet, but they did mention uploading government IDs, which is a huge breach of privacy. So I've seen a lot of people here on YouTube talking about how they're going to be changing and exploring different alternatives. And I'm just not sold that they're actually going to take their own word for it. I think they're kind of just hopping on that trend, which I guess I'm hopping on the trend as well, but I'm kind of calling out the hypocrisy. I don't think anybody's going to change. Discord has around 200 million monthly active users. That's a ton of users, and that's all accredited to the gain in popularity of Discord and expanding itself into a bunch of different avenues, not just gaming. It started off with gaming, then it moved over to the classroom, different communities, and now it's kind of just almost like a social media. So that's a ton of users that I'm not sure the majority are going to be affected by to the point where they're like, I'm going to go along to somewhere else. A lot of the times, people aren't willing to give up the comfort they have, whether that be all the communities they have, all the servers that all their friends are in. You can't even get your friend to watch the Instagram reels you send. You're going to have them switch to Fluxter or any other alternative. I just find that hard to believe. Oftentimes when you're comfortable, doesn't matter if we're talking about Discord or we're talking about Mac versus PCs, whatever your habit is, whatever you're most comfortable with, whatever becomes more familiar, it's very hard for you to switch over. Now, don't get me wrong. I do think this is an important conversation to have because the more people that push back on this age verification, the better it is for us. So the more people that watch videos about switching to Discord or post on Reddit and actually entertain the idea of switching, I think it overall benefits us as consumers, as Discord users. I'm not the biggest Discord user. I use it mainly with my brother, and then I use it like a Slack group for my YouTube channel and whatever, like just to send myself little reminders and stuff like that. Nothing serious. But the more people that have this conversation, the more people that consider this, and I don't think it's going to be the majority, but if there's a loud enough people that do, they're going to listen. They're going to be forced to listen and be like, okay, we're going to scrap this whole idea. I think for people to switch over, there needs to be a very clear increase in quality of life. And that's for anything, not just Discord. But if we take a look at that whole thing, the reason Discord popped off and came to be what it was is because Skype was just not cutting it. So people would be gathering around in Skype calls. It wouldn't be that good of a chat for gaming. There was no channels, it wasn't that layout that we're familiar with today. So it really did revolutionize it kind of brought chat and community into one whole app. You got your text channels, you got your voice channels, and then now they have a bunch of other features like games that you could play together and stuff like that. They kind of revolutionized that whole industry, and they created their own industry, to be honest. That's why gamers left Skype for Discord. There was a clear need, there was a clear market for this, and then other people started flocking in where they're like, this is good for other things, this is good for classrooms, this is good for clubs, this is good just for friends that maybe don't game, but they want to hang out online, maybe scroll their phone or whatever, and it gave them that kind of social media community aspect, but privately. But I think if people want to switch, there needs to be a competitor that's not just a Discord clone, because you can't even convince your friends to watch your reels, right? I'm going back to that joke I made. It's very hard to convince your friends. If you care so much about the privacy, that's great, but you're going to be in there by yourself. You need to bring over your friends, and they need to have that equal amount of care, and I just don't see that. I think a lot of people talk about switching, but not many people are going to do it. If you and your friends do, then that's great because you all value the same thing. You all value that privacy, and you're comfortable. You're comfortable using that, and you don't feel excluded from anything because you're in your little Fluxer bubble, right? So that basically wraps up the video. I want to hear what you guys think because this is just my opinion. I don't see many people making the jump over. I don't think many people are going to be making the jump permanently. They might switch for a couple days and then they're like, damn, it's lonely in here. Like, none of my friends want to join. But anyways, let me know what you think. Do you have your friends that care about the same level of privacy as you? Are you guys making the switch? Have you already made the switch? Is this something you're genuinely considering? Because I want to hear from what other people are thinking. Because I don't know, I see everyone making these videos, talking about it on Reddit, but I'm not sure it's going to stick. So anyways, we'll see. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.